Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. Today we've got something real special from Jada Toys, straight out of the Fast and Furious collection, the iconic Suki's Honda S2000 in this wild pink race-inspired livery, and wow, that pink paint just pops under the light. It's bold, it's flashy, and it fits the Fast and Furious vibe perfectly. This one definitely stands out in any collection. Check out the side artwork on this thing. You've got that detailed anime-style graphic on the door, flowing stripes running through the body, and those little accent dots that give it a real tuner car look. Jada really went all in on the details with this one. And look at those chrome multi-spoke wheels. They shine heavy and they give the car that clean street racer stance. Up front, you've got that smooth Honda S2000 nose, clean headlights, and a sleek grille. The hood graphics flow perfectly from front to back, tying the whole design together. Now let's open her up. The hood pops open, and there it is. That detailed engine bay with chrome headers and a bright red intake cover. That motor just screams Fast and Furious. Both doors open up too, and inside you can see the bucket seats, steering wheel, and dash detail. Jada always does a great job bringing the interior to life. Moving to the back, look at that aggressive spoiler sitting up high. The trunk opens, giving you a peek inside, and check out the dual exhaust setup under the rear bumper. Even the license plate says Fast and Furious, which is a nice finishing touch. And you've got that Toyo Tires logo stamped right across the rear, adding to the race-ready look. This Honda S2000 is a straight-up showstopper between the color, the graphics, the opening parts, and the movie branding. This is one of those pieces that instantly grabs attention in your display. It's different, it's bold, and it's pure Fast and Furious energy. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing Brian's Nissan GT-R R35, Ben Sopra from the Fast and Furious line. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go and check out our other cool rides right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so you don't have to. So until next time, keep diecasting, and God bless.